In this video, I'm going to show you how to detect installed games in Epic Games quickly and easily. If you've got a long library and you only want to see the games that are already installed on your PC, this method will save you time and make your library much easier to manage. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple gaming guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer. Once the launcher is open, look for the library section on the left side and click it. The library is where all of your owned games are listed, whether they're installed or not. If you have a big collection, this can look a little crowded at first, but don't worry, the next step makes it easy. Now that you're in library, look for the filter option near the top of your game list. This is where Epic Games lets you narrow down what you're seeing. Click on the filter and choose installed. As soon as you select that option, Epic Games will update the list and only show the games that are currently installed on your system. This is especially useful if you want to launch a game faster, check what's already taking up space on your drive, or simply avoid scrolling through everything you own just to find the games you can actually play right now. It's a very simple feature, but it can make a big difference if you use Epic Games often. If you don't see the filter right away, make sure you're still inside the library tab and that the launcher has fully loaded. Sometimes the interface can take a moment to refresh, especially if your game library is large or your internet connection is slow. Once it loads properly, the installed filter should be easy to find and use. After selecting installed, take a moment to review the list. You'll now see only the games that are present on your device, so you can quickly click into any of them and launch them without guessing which titles are ready to go. If you ever want to go back and view everything in your library again, just return to the filter and switch it off or choose the full library view. That's really all there is to it. Opening Epic Games Launcher, going to Library, and clicking the Installed filter is the fastest way to detect installed games in Epic Games. It's simple, effective, and perfect for keeping your game library organized. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials and gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.